So hi again, Mavic 2 Pro with a smart controller. It's been raining a lot, so I don't have time to play with it much. But here's a little bit upgrade that I got for the drone. For now. Well, it just came in today. 64 gig for the controller and for the drone. So two of them. Amazon. So I go hiking a lot, and where I live there's a lot of rock around and surface not that flat, not that good. So I'm ordering this landing gear extension. You guys can see it is really low on the ground, probably around half an inch. So let's see how this fit. Grab my knife. Pretty nice packet coming with it. So the leg, the front, and the front. Come pretty nice package. Okay. Well, let's see, how do I put this on? So again, this thing is pretty low on the ground, and when you land, if I hit the rock on the camera itself or one of the sensor, see how I put this in. Wow, this thing was fighting a lot. It's really stiff. It's stiff. It's really stiff. Yeah, you gotta force it in a little bit. Something like that, and this. That's the left and the right. This way must be the right. Let's see. Hold on. I already have trouble put it in already. See, let's see then in any picture or anything. There's not. It should be fit really easy up front. So I have to look at the picture online. This thing right here, got the groove right here, fit on right here of the drone, which is this one. Fit perfectly on it. Snap. Same thing with this side. Snap. Look more nicer. It's about probably at like another inch off the round. Pretty nice. I kind of like it. And if I think there's a light mount, small flashlight mount on the side, the back leg, this side too. That's look pretty nice. So until next time, click subscribe and like somewhere in the box, the red button. Subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.